morning everyone. How are you? Hope you are doing good, and I'm also doing great with this amazing weather today. The weather is perfect today, I must say, because it's nice and sunny. The clouds are clear. Not the clouds, I'm sorry, the sky is clear. So yes, and as you can see, a little bit of cleanup here at the backyard. So yes, I mean finally I had to start someday. तो मुझे लगा आज ही best day है तो clean up करें, and it was not easy for me because I do have some back issues, so I had to take somebody's help. So I've been searching everywhere for a little spring cleanup and a little bit of more work with my backyard, but I was not able to find somebody with good affordable prices. But then finally it clicked. So yes, and on Facebook I found Zen Gardening. His name is Andrew, and he did an amazing job. Lot of cleaning, sab kuch kar diya with a very good price, and then he'll come back again, and I'll also show you the before and after pictures. I mean, he made all the the beds and all proper, like all the cleanup, adding the garden soil, and I did a the cleanup of all the leaves and everything. I mean, as I said, a trimming of things. I'll just show you around what all he did. There are terms which I don't know, like in gardening, but I'll just show you what he did. So he just made this the little border outside this tree, and then I had some leftover these borders, the brick borders, so he just kept it here just to make it a little more clean. And then yes, this is a kind of bed. Normally the bed is the plant bed is of wooden and all, but he just gave me an idea, say why not do you just have a leftover bricks here, the border bricks, so why don't you just keep it here. And as I told you, he has given perfect ideas, and it's very important that somebody who understands what you mean. Normally people try to the landscapers and all, they come and they just, the gardening landscapers, they come and they just they give you your own suggestions, and not understanding that might or might not be in our budget. So yes, the best part was that he was understanding what I'm trying to say and explain him. And yes, and this again, if you compare it was of course the wood is old, but he tried to fix everything and looks good now. So the plan is that this is not the right time to do the plantation, so somewhere May 1st or 2nd week, he told me, is the right time, because there's a lot of frost in the soil. So we just made a bed here. So the plan is I'll put some vegetables here, and I'll grow vegetables here, and rest I'll put some the flowers and all. And I also had some one of the rose plants, so I requested him if he can just put put that here. And yeah, and then I had some the daylight lilies, but he said, okay, this is not the right time to just put the flowers and plant trees and all, or the plant the vegetables. But yes, I'm still not happy with the grass area here. I'll see what I'll do about this. But yes, and then again, I mean, I have to, I called him again, so I'll do a little bit work in the front yard. Not much. Front yard is a very little bit of work here, and then I'm also planning to get all the weed, everything removed from this area. So let's see how it goes, but I just wanted to share it with you. And yes, and his I would also like to give you his number. Anybody if is interested who can contact. He did an amazing job, as I told you, and trust me, I mean it's not about money. You can pay money, but somebody who can understand what exactly you're looking for, what your requirements are within your budget and all you can afford. It's not something you just go and grab the money and do the work and just come back. No, I mean, we're looking for somebody whom we can call, call again. Now he was very fair enough, he was quite fair, and he did job with full hard work, and he understood what I was planning, what I was thinking. So yes, and I'll give you his numbers in the description box, and also we took his permission as well, if he can just give a little bit about himself, about his company. So that also I will add, and his name is Andrew. So once again, Zen Gardening. and I give him a 5-star, and I'm sure once you call him, you will also give a 5-star. So you will get all the links, I mean the phone number, everything in the description box below, and I'll also put his phone number. So yes, this was it, and I don't know what I'll do. Maybe I'm planning to go outside to, I had to go to Brahmacity Center. I'm not too sure if I'll go or not, but weather is good, so I think I should go. Let's see how the day goes. I'll catch you later.
So now here I would also like to add, a few things to my viewers. First thing first, this is not sponsored or a paid promotion. I just wanted to share it with you because there are reasons behind it. First thing first, that I really like the services. I really like his work, and if I'm quite satisfied. Though it was not a lot of work to be done, but still whatever was done, it was like a little above my expectations. And the second thing, keeping in mind, like we all know, like after this COVID, the pandemic has had a devastating impact on small business owners and the people, those who are working as a whole. Like a lot of them, like I need not to explain, people are going through financial crisis. We have seen a lot, like I'm sure everybody agrees to it. No, why not? Like if you're satisfied, if you're happy with somebody's services, there's no harm in sharing this the information, sharing it with others, and helping them get more work, more business. At least the people can contact them, and they can get more work. As I said, like in my previous vlogs, we can support each other. Like if we cannot support everybody, like each other with financial help, but we can support. This is the best way we can support. If you like somebody's services, why not to just go ahead and share if possible. So yes, that's why I was sharing Zen gardening services, and I'll give you the details with all the phone numbers with at the description below.
Gardening here, Andrew Burnley. I run Zen Gardening, and this is the work I do. 416-970-8672. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram. ZenGardening.ca is my website as well.
Thank you. God bless you, buddy.
God bless you guys.
So yes, finally my backyard was clean. Now this was just a cleaning thing, like there's still so much to be done, like the weed treatment and the grass, and like I was thinking of painting the fence and all the stuff. Yeah, but I mean I'll be doing step by step, but the first step started with like cleaning. So once the cleaning is done, now I have a picture, like what to do and how to plan. So yes guys, later that day I did go to Brahmacity Center. I thought like I'll make a separate vlog, because then this vlog would have been really, really long. So yes, and thank you everybody, each and every one, deep from my heart, for all your comments and the likes you've been giving and appreciating it. And yes, those who are new to my channel, please do subscribe. Do not leave without a thumbs up. And thank you. Take care of yourself, take care of near and dear ones. Bye bye, and you all have a blessed day.